What is the estimated cost to replace a traditional hot water heater with a tankless system?
Hello there. In today's video, we'll be discussing a popular question that many homeowners ask when thinking about their hot water needs. What is the estimated cost to replace a traditional hot water heater with a tankless system? We'll break this down into a few key points, including the cost of the unit itself, installation, and long-term operation costs.
How much does a tankless water heater cost?
First off, let's discuss the cost of the tankless water heater itself. As of 2023, the average cost of a tankless water heater ranges from $1,000 to $3,000 depending on the brand, model, and size. This is quite a bit more expensive than a traditional hot water heater, which typically costs between $500 and $1,500.
What are the installation costs?
Now, let's move on to the cost of installation. This can vary significantly depending on a variety of factors. For example, if you're replacing a traditional water heater with a tankless system, there could be additional costs involved to adapt your home's plumbing and electrical system. On average, installation costs for tankless water heaters range from $1,200 to $2,500. Traditional hot water heater installation, by comparison, usually ranges from $600 to $1,300.
What about operating costs?
While the initial costs of a tankless water heater are higher, it's also important to consider the operating costs. Tankless water heaters are generally more energy efficient, leading to lower utility bills over time. While exact savings can vary, it's not uncommon for homeowners to save up to 20% on their water heating bills when switching from a traditional to a tankless system. In conclusion, replacing a traditional hot water heater with a tankless system can be quite an investment, with total upfront costs ranging from $2,200 to $5,500. However, the long-term savings on your utility bills could help offset this initial cost over time. As always, it's important to do your own research and consider your specific situation before making a decision. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your decision-making process.